Ready to start your business in Georgia step by step? Great. Grab your pencil, grab your notebook. Let's go. Number one, decide on the business structure or entity. Decide on the business structure or entity. You may be saying, Chanel, I'm not quite sure what that is. That would be your business structure entity is things like what you heard of, a LLC or limited liability company, a corporation, partnership, or sole proprietorship. I cannot give legal advice. However, when you go to the website sos.ga.gov, and that's secretaryofstate.ga.gov, right? Or I want you to write this phone number down so you can get some human help for free if needed by going directly to the source. That number is 404-656-2817. Again, 404-656-2817. That is the Secretary of State in Georgia, where you can ask questions to clarify any of these things that I'm mentioning in the video, okay? So if you know what you're already leaning towards, fine, go ahead, decide on that business entity. If not, do some research online. Don't overthink it. You know, it is an important business decision. And if you find yourself, you know, knowing that you're going to need funding for your business, you definitely would want to lean towards the LLC, corporation, or partnership versus a sole proprietor, okay? The second thing that you want to do when registering your business or starting a business in Georgia is to decide on your business name. Decide on your business name. Be strategic, be professional. Think about building a brand in the long run, okay? And you want to go ahead in the state of Georgia and do a registered name search. That will cost you $25, okay? So I'm going to break down the costs involved in some of this as well as best as I can for you. And feel free to ask me questions in the comments if I can help you further. The third step is to prepare your business formation documents. Prepare your business formation documents, okay? Those are called articles of organization, or a certificate of organization. You can Google those things and have those documents formatted for your submission and filing for the state, okay? When I did this at the time, it was 2018 when I registered my business in Georgia, and I really wasn't familiar with the formation of documents. I believe I asked a friend of mine in business. I did a Google search, tweaked some things up and uploaded it, and it worked for me, okay? I didn't pay anybody to do anything like that for my business, okay? So prepare your business formation documents. I do want to say there are services, there are third-party apps and services that will help you file your LLC, but you can go directly to the Secretary of State, whether you live in Georgia or another state in the U.S., and get this done, okay, for free. Well, you're paying your filing fee, and right now that's $100 US in the state of Georgia, according to the website, okay? Fourth is now you're going to go ahead and be ready to file with the Secretary of State, okay? When you file, the information that you will need will be, of course, the business name information, a location, a physical address, mailing address for the principal office for the business, and you will need the name of the registered agent. That would be the individual who is responsible for communication, correspondence, and receiving mail on behalf of the business, and they must be located in Georgia. So if you're the owner and that's yourself, you're the registered agent for the business, okay? Next, you want to, once you file with the Secretary of State, you want to go ahead and number 5 is register your business with your local government. Remember, we want to be compliant across the board. So it's your job to do the research, ask the questions. Again, I'll mention this phone number. If you get stuck, and it's normal in business to get stuck, to hit a roadblock, you know, you can do it. Take a break, take a day, regroup yourself, and come back at it. The number is 404-656-2817. The state is here to help you be successful in this process. The more revenue we're able to generate, the more we can pay taxes, revenue, right? Business taxes that helps the state. Economic development is what it's all about. So they're there to help you. All right. So don't feel afraid to ask a question, send an email, but I'm the type, I just like to pick up the phone if I get stuck and get some human support. All right. Next, oh yeah, we were talking about registering your business with your local government. So that's your city, you know, your county, you know, making sure you register and find out what type of business license, what type of occupational license. For instance, for my hospice company in the state of Georgia, local business, I have a business license, local business license in the county that my business is registered in. It may be called an occupational tax certificate, and you hang that in your business office. There may be some requirements around zoning to make sure whatever business you're looking to operate is appropriate for that location. They may have a fire marshal to come out and make sure everything is safe and appropriate, right? And give you that certificate as well, okay? And then you register, and you'll have to register again, register again annually for your business license. Everything is mostly going to be an annual renewal, okay? So